gun is the best defense.
Fight! Fight! Chaos Realm Invasion. Faction battle.
Tja. Findest du mal jemand? Wie, du willst da eine Jacke anziehen, da sind 10 Das ist ein Arschlochspiel, Alter. Scheiß Amerikaner. Kein Bock mehr auf das Spiel, Alter. Eine Stunde lang suchst du, Alter. Da findest du jemand. Du hast eh keinen Bock mehr aufs Leben. Schleich dich, Mann. Kotzen, Alter. Scheiß Amerikaner. Jetzt sind sie nicht wert.
Quanchi. Round 1, fight! Round 2, fight! Finish him!
What's that boring asshole? Must be American.
Liu Kang wins. Flawless victory.
Du befleckst Amerika, wie du dich willst. Mach doch dein eigenes Leben. Lausiges Stück Scheiße.
Faction battle. Liu Kang. Sonya Blade. Sonya Blade.
Fucking AI. Yeah, whatever. I'm losing anyway. Have a nice time. Boring piece of shit American.
Round 1. Fight!
Piece of shit American. No bombs fall to you.
Fight!
Whatever. An asshole.
Seven USA. AI generated fat asses.
Faction battle.
Poor phrase, German and Great Britain brought USA to life 300 years ago. Poor black guys.
What up? Shutting up your ass, you SCA motherfucking AI controlled. I have a controller, and you have the best option, right? Even can't stop the war. Yeah, joining match. Controlled by Koreans, eh? Cause you Eurasians are better than America. Have a nice friendly in the Pentagon up your ass for your safety nest. Dying anyway, sooner than not. The next fucking months. Poor Canada. And I give a fuck about the drug dealers actually in South America.
King of the Hill.
Next year. Can't see something in here. What kind of a shit is this? What took so long in here? Fucking emotions, right? Killing mood or something? There we go.
You're my bitch. Magna. You're my bitch.
Scorpion.
Fuck you. Fuck your mouth, you idiot.
Kenshi.
Come on. fucking mouth!
You're recorded, mate.
Round 1. Fight.
You show little promise.
Round 2. Fight. Finish him. Kenshi wins.
My lord, you are my bitch.
Pay your respects. Throne defended.
You are my bitch.
Sub-Zero. Kenshi.
Listen to me. You are my bitch and you die like my bitch.
Oh, I'm totally, I have to say, I'm Bavarian German. You Americans have no deal.
I am
Round 1. Fight.
You're under my pressures, mate. I can shut it down whenever I want. Thanks to China and North Korea. Oh, he's talking about shit. You're cheating, man. Don't talk about that one.
Fight.
You're so less. You have no family, you have no nothing, you're living in America, you're with cocaine, you're productive. What do you want? You're boring, mate. You're boring. You're losing in here right now, the fight. What's going on with you? I'm a Bavarian, German, European. Are you talking about actually cheating? North Korea can kill you in a second. What are you talking about? You're just pressing one button and the other person's trying to beat you. It's the same like all the times America losing wars. You cheating. America is cheating. And you got Mr. Trump in your position. Hey asshole, shut the fuck up, America. You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit, okay? You dumb ass voting for Trump. I wanna see America to be actually bombed by atom bombs from Russians. You can fuck your mother, you can fuck everything, but you get fucked up by Russian, by European, by North Korea, by China. USA is a piece of shit land. Shut the fuck up, man. America is not existing anymore. Okay? You dead. Shut up, America. Shut up, asshole. I can fuck my mother, my uncle, I can fuck everything. America is dead. America is dead. You American are dead. You make war, we make war with you. America is a single hole of black hole. America is dead. You don't understand, you assholes from America. You are retarded psychopaths. You are psychopaths and your America is dead. Okay? You dead. You dead. You are dead. USA is dead. No. You turn it up. You turn it up. You're thinking America is the safest place on earth? You the death point. America is dead. South America gives you livering, actually poisoning actually with cocaine. And you have nothing to pull over for all over the world, right? You have nothing. You're stealing from all over the world. America is dead. A hollow world. It's a ghost world. I am German, you asshole. Fuck your father, fuck your mother, fuck your grandmother. Your gas is going into your asshole and American bombs goes into your own household because you're retarded. You have no technology anymore. Fuck Silicon Island. Can we stop about fucking fuck, say the fuck word? Maybe children are watching and we saying all the times fuck the fuck word?
Finish him!
Finish him! Get over here! Thinking of a little bit loosey today.
Faction kill.
Don't say the fuck word. Don't say the fuck word anymore.
Pay your respects.
Come on, I'll just give you 10 points. I didn't give you some points. You are not American. He's a retard, right? Oh, so he's a black guy. He's from Africa. Okay, an asshole. Africa is nothing worth anywhere in the world. He's a piece of shit anyway. Killing his own people for nothing worth. Making commercials. Thinking they're Chinese or something. Well, conversation is so done and dead. You're a terrorist. I got you live streamed, and actually in Bavarian German, we got you live. So actually you're talking very much shit, right? With the government, everything, all these times. That is so nice, mate. No money for you anymore, you shit fucking terrorists.
Tremor.
Speak out, eh? So you doing the cheating buttons anymore? Because you're a terrorist?
Round 1. Fight.
You're very concentrated, right? See that? You're pressing one button and you're doing everything else. Is that a software or something you're using for? You fucking terrorist. See that? Oh, how that happened in here for you? You terrorist. You're so fucked up, man. You're using a fucking hacker software to beating me? You using a hacker software for me? You're a lousy motherfucker, man. You don't know about work. You don't know nothing about family. You don't know nothing about countries. Nothing, man. You're using just a hacker software. You little piece of shit children. You fucking asshole. You son of a colonic asshole.
Behold my power. Scorpion. Win.
The biggest problem is I have your IP address right now and I'm sending something to you. I hope you have a nice time because everyone on Earth have a little problem with assholes like you.
Throne defended.
I have your IP address, asshole. Good night. Have a nice time. We go aggressive to you because you're blocking a Mortal Kombat 10 Peoples to Win original. Have a nice time. Shut up, nigga. You have no provisation. You dead. Alright. I'm not crying. I am not. I'm a construction worker, asshole. I'm not playing games like that. You little children. Go to sleep! Go to sleep! You're... Oh... Your ship is sinking! Your ship is sinking right now in the moment! Oh, so sorry for you. You're so sorry, fucking Negro. Good night.
Round 2. Fight.
Lol. Fucking Africans with his commercials. Oops. Oh.